Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about slope and specifically calculating slope from a graph. All right, slope is also known as a rate of change. And what we want to do is remember that linear functions have a constant rate of change, or constant ROC. Okay, there are 4 different kinds of slopes. All right, if we think of a little man on each of these walking towards the right, he is either walking uphill where he's got a positive slope. And this is when there is an increasing interval. He could be walking down the hill, or a decreasing interval is a negative slope. If he is walking flat across, that is a slope of 0, or what we were thinking of it as a constant interval, or he is falling off a cliff, and that is undefined, and that's when we have a vertical line. Okay. Okay, so how do we calculate slope? Well, first off, we're going to count slope, and we're going to call it m, right? And slope is going to be the rise over the run, okay? Our rise is always going to be up or down, and our run is always going to be to the right. Okay, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick 2 points. We're going to make a little triangle. We're always going to go from the right to the left. So here's my 2 points, and I'm going to make a little triangle. I'm going to start with this point on the right-hand side, and I'm going to go down and then to the right. And I'm going to notice that I went down 1, 2, 3. I went down 3, so I'm going to call that -3. Okay, that's my second step. Count how many down, or up or down. All right, my next step is I'm going to count how many to the right. It's always going to be to the right. So then I look and I went 1 to the right. Okay, so my slope is the rise over the run. And here it's equal to -3 over 1. And we're going to see if we can simplify. And here, our slope simplifies down to, so -3 over 1 just simplifies down to being -3. So m equals -3. All right, let's try it again. First, we're going to find 2 points, and we're going to draw a rectangle, or sorry, a triangle from this point to the other point. Here's my triangle. All right, and I noticed that I had to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is up 4, or plus 4. And to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so my slope is the rise over the run is +4 over 5. I can't simplify that, so I know that my slope is just 4 over 5. All right, moving on to the next one. find my 2 points and draw a triangle. Now I can't go up or down any. Okay, so my triangle is more just like a line here. All right. And so I know that my rise, so if my slope is the rise over the run, my rise is 0. And my run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if my slope is rise over run, I got 0 over 5 or just 0. And this is one of our types. This is just a horizontal line. So if you could just recognize that, then you know the slope would be 0.